Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen hiding in this cute Christmas tree. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the star at the top. Let's draw a point up and down, then out to the side, and then two at the bottom. Now let's draw the shape of the tree. Underneath the star, let's draw an angle down and back in. And the same on the other side. And then again, but slightly bigger. Again, on the left and on the right. And then 4 more on both sides, getting bigger and wider as we go down. And now that we have the sides of the tree drawn, let's finish off the bottom by drawing bumps all the way across. And that's it for the shape of the tree. Now let's move down and draw the bottom skirt. Underneath the tree, let's draw an oval shaped curve like this. Now let's move in and draw Pusheen in the middle of the tree. Let's start in the middle of the tree, and we're going to draw 2 circles for the paws. Then a curve in between. Now let's draw 2 bumps on both sides. Now let's move up and let's draw the top of Pusheen's head with a line across. Then a point up and down, and the same on the left. Now let's move in and draw the face. From the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. The same on the right and on the left. Then in the center, let's draw the mouth with 2 curves like this. Now let's add the eyes with 2 black circles. And then lastly for Pusheen, let's add the whiskers with 2 curves on the cheeks. And that's it for Pusheen. Let's draw the ornaments on the tree next. Let's start on the top left and draw an oval. Then let's continue drawing ovals up on an angle to the right. Now let's do the same thing across above Pusheen here. And then one more row of ovals at the bottom here. And lastly, let's add some circular ornaments. Let's draw one circle on the top here in the middle. One to the right of Pusheen. One below on the left here. And then 3 in the bottom section. And that's it for Pusheen hiding in the Christmas tree. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!